today, mag-embark tayo sa cosmic journey sa pag-capturing the night sky in this video. So grab your gear at mag-start tayo. So ito na yung setup ko. Hinihintay ko lang oras. Anong magandang locations sa astrophotography dito sa California? First off, Lake Tahoe. Lake Tahoe is surrounded by mountains and far from city lights. Ito means nakuha natin ng dark skies, perfect sa capturing those stunning star trails at Milky Way shots. Yung air ay thinner at clear at 6,000 feet above sea level, reducing light pollution, ginagawa star photos sharper. Second, Death Valley. Death Valley ay meron sa mga darkest skies sa United States. With minimal light pollution, magkukuha mo yung clear view ng night sky. Number 3, Anza Borrego State Park. Itong park ay certified dark sky park, meaning meron excellent starry skies with minimal light pollution. Ito makes a perfect spot para sa astrophotography, allowing ikaw para i-capture mga stunning images of the Milky Way. Number 4, Joshua Tree National Park. Joshua Tree National Park ay an excellent location for astrophotography with a remote location, minimal light pollution, at sa mga best night sky sa Southern California. Yung park meron designated stargazing areas, Quail Springs, Hidden Valley, Caprock at Giant Mountain, offering darkness. At lastly, number 5, Big Bear Lake. Ito ay in the San Bernardino Mountains at provides dark skies, stunning star photo opportunities. Yung high elevation, clear skies, nag-create ng less atmospheric distortion for sharper images. Yung beautiful lake, pine forest at mountain background, nag-offer ng fantastic view para sa astrophotography. Ang app ang ginagamit ko para sa astrophotography ay ito, Night Sky at Sky Guide sa App Store. Ginagamit ko to pag-identify ng mga star names at navigating ng position ng mga stars. Salamat kayo sa panood at sharing sa incredible astrophotography video. Pag na-enjoy mo itong video, pag-ibigay mo ng like at i-consider mag-subscribe para sa content. Hanggang sa next astrophotography.